Hey peeps, how are you doing? I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Lots of love. Right now I'm walking. Ishwana's with me.
Hey!
Looking as handsome as ever. And my mum and Fabian are here. My nephew, my mum. And we're about to go to my daughter's drama performance. So I thought I'd pop on and say hello. I am Ruth Noel of taxtwork.com and thank you for watching this video. So yeah, it's a quick update. I'm walking now to go to the drama, and it's just it's like the final day of my daughter finishing school and doing her drama play before the summer holiday, and I'm really grateful for this. She's been going to nursery for about the last 4 years now, and now it's finished. It's all finished, and she's going to bigger school in September, and it's just really a time to kind of reflect on that and give thanks to our journey so far, as she's been growing and the business has been growing and I've been growing as well, just as a human being, and as a mompreneur. So we're looking forward to this right now. And like today, this week it came up twice. People were asking me, or I was talking to people about the decision to kind of do my own business and kind of do it online, and some other parents are still working at the nursery, so they're like, oh, you know, like, you're lucky you run your business and you work from home and you can be there for your daughter, which is all true, and I am grateful for that. But also, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it comes with its own challenges, and it's not always overnight, which I'm always reminding you guys. You have to put in the work and you've got to be committed, and sometimes you do still have to work as well. You do still have to work part-time. I was doing that too when I was getting started, and that's okay. So it's not about just changing your life instantly overnight, but it's about putting things in place step by step, which is really the message of the video. And the key thing is, even on those days where you feel like, oh, I'm not getting any results, I'm not getting no ROI, where's the ROI on this Facebook ads and da-da-da-da-da. Like, we all go through that. Like, I've been through that as well. I'm still on the journey. I'm listening to my coaches. I'm still on the journey, implementing, seeing the results. Some days I send an email, there's like not much happening. Other days I do a solo ad and it's like boom, like, oh my gosh, loads of people opting in, sales, people doing the free trial. So I'm grateful for that. But yeah, sometimes it's difficult, but to me, in my opinion, I'm not telling you what you should do, but in my opinion, now I can see like the payoff is these moments, like when I can go to be with my daughter, to support her for her school events or her school shows. And sometimes the nursery have too many shows, so I'm not gonna lie. It's not like the nursery. I love the nursery, I love what they do, bringing the parents in, but sometimes they do have a bit too many, even for a parent who works from home. I can't be at every single one, but the important days, yes, that's where the payoff really comes for me. So when it's like a very special occasion, Christmas, Mother's Day, or if she's ill, God forbid, but if she's ill or anything like that, her big drama performances, I don't have to answer to a boss. I don't need to feel guilty and go like, oh my gosh, I really want to get some time off, I need to be there for my daughter. So no matter what, the ups and downs in business, in online business, making it work out. Okay. It's trying to tell me 2 minutes, we need to get there 2 minutes. Alright, let's walk a bit quicker. This video might be a bit shaky because we're actually on the go right now, like in Luton, walking. But yeah, so whatever happens, ups and downs, investing, having to work part-time while it's getting up and going, those days where it doesn't feel like anything's happening, but to me it keeps my mind positive, it keeps me focused on my bigger vision. And these moments that you get, just enjoy it, make the best of it. Like, it all adds up, even if you're just starting and you're not making anything yet. But when you start to get those pounds coming in, when you get your first $100 and you get that every week, and then you grow to 6 figures, 7 figures, it just all adds up, it all comes together. And really, it's not just about the money, but it's about the freedom of it. So I hope this is encouraging to you. It's a bit shaky, this video, I love you guys so much. Remember to thumbs up and subscribe, and put it in the comments as well. What do you like to do with your own free time? I love to read those comments from you guys. And I will see you next time. Bye! Do you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye! Deuces! This is the dress today. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Turn up!